Area, hello, now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am Manchester United 3 and Arsenal 1. And we get our guy Emmanuel wey be like saying a very ogbonge Man U fan. Make us tell us about how you see the game. But guy Emmanuel don't really dey laugh because his body dey sweet am right now because Manchester United don deliver. But now how you see the game, Oga Emma?
I dey very very happy about the game. The way the players dey play the game, but I no even expect Man U go beat Arsenal reach like that. I dey expect either the match draw 1-1 or anything fit happen. Na game of football. But this kind of humiliation when Man U give Arsenal so body sweet me die. So like this, as I would say my body na sugar. If they say I will get better money, they want to do give away. They give all the Arsenal fans. When they take cool their test next time today. But like this guy, I'm very very happy about Manchester United winning. So it just be like it be like a dream for me. Now every time I take conclude the match.
All right, now, guy, Emma, I want to ask you now which player be your man of the match?
Now Marcus Rashford now. With the way they play, he positioning and the rest, he try. Even myself, I dey insult that say the guy not doing for, not doing for. He not dey deliver. But he get one thing when the guy they do, when they scare me. He know where to position to keep his own self on side. And what did the guy here to destroy Arsenal today? Now be just that one. Nothing else again. No, not like nothing like say he dey outside because some fans they talk say man they be VRO shoot VAR shooter and the rest. But today's game, he proved to them say yes.
No wayo.
No wayo, no mago. Even when after they collect possession, we not dey find possession at the point.
Now one win.
I think
No possession.
we not dey find the possession, we not dey find corner. Make them collect am, make them give us the 3 points and the goal. That be just my own. So now so you happy with that.
All right, now I want to ask you about Manchester United manager now, Eric Ten Hag. How you see the work when Eric Ten Hag they do so far for Manchester United?
Dama, nobody some people still don't like they go hate. Enemies must do. So but average percent of Manchester United fans, they go talk to the guy they try. Me myself, I will talk to the guy they try. But try not mean say he not good finish. See Pep Guardiola will be world class coach. Is he draw yesterday? So even though they try, make continue the work. So there's nothing like he don't try reach and may relax and lie. Now make they still rate Ferguson as one of the greatest coach of all time. He dey try best to go. There's nothing like he don't do. So this is work, make you keep on like that. Till whenever he ready to resign. But I don't hope say for the next 10 years he ready to resign. Yeah, make you just stay like this, make you just do the work like this to go. And that's what you have been.
All right, I want to ask you about Anthony now. We see what you do for that first half when he enter. Now 100 million signing, the people they talk say the money too much and all that. So you, how you see Anthony performance for this game?
That was just a very technical question, but answer for every question. Now, boy, when my event is sign up, and they say how they go sign that kind of small boy with that kind of money, 100 million euros, which is 85 million pounds. And they complain, but what I hear they complain myself is say, I'm happy they not be England players they sign like that. Because if you check nearly all England players where they sign within England with that kind of money, they're not they get. See, Maguire for Mayu, rubbish. See, Jack Grealish, rubbish. The only person now when I think believe say, okay, see they try based on that kind of big money, now Jordan Sancho. The boy see they deliver, they try. So that boy now with that kind of money where they sign now, may keep up the goal scoring. I would tell you get with that because that be when the score one go finish, he go call the play rubbish. He go call hide. Or he go call the play rubbish. You know, make keep up the hard work, and the hard work will pay him.
Okay, now I'm gonna ask your guy, Ma, with all this performance where Man U they perform now, how high you think say Manchester United go finish by the end of the season? With what you they see, oh,
with what you see now, you know be your guarantee say Man U won't win league. Because right now, he doesn't expect to say who gonna win the league. If you count like 6 to 5 clubs, we're gonna win the league. So right now, Sha, I get confident say Man U will end for top 4. So now the confidence I get about them is that they must end for top 4. If they not end for top 4, now we say why you there somewhere. The owner of the club, they need to sell that club because I hear recently say they withdraw 1.30 billion for the club go invest on that thing. No, make them not do those things. If Man U continue like this, they go back to their glory days. So the issue is say make them still they try their best to do things. They get so their best is yet to come. the more they do, the more they go dey improve dey go. So na anything I hear guy about to talk na be that.